The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is here, but rumors suggest it might be the last of its kind. This phone is a statement. It pushes boundaries and challenges what we expect from a smartphone. Is this the end of an era for Samsung's iconic S series? Let's dive in and find out. For years, the S series has been the pinnacle of Samsung's smartphone technology. The S25 Ultra takes this to a new level. It's not just an upgrade, it's a reimagining of what a flagship phone can be. This phone is making waves, and for good reason. It's packed with cutting-edge tech, but it also signals a potential shift in Samsung's strategy. We're going to break it all down, from the design changes to what this means for the future of Samsung smartphones. The S25 Ultra isn't afraid to be different. Its design is a departure from previous models. It's sleek, modern, and undeniably futuristic. The bezels are almost non-existent, creating an immersive, all-screen experience. Samsung has always been known for its stunning displays. The S25 Ultra takes this to another level. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, the clarity is remarkable. This is a screen designed for consuming content. Whether you're watching movies or browsing photos, the S25 Ultra's display will impress. But there's one design element that's sparking debate: the lack of a headphone jack. This is a trend we've seen across the industry. However, it's still a controversial move. It's clear Samsung is prioritizing a sleek and minimalist aesthetic. Whether that comes at the expense of user convenience remains to be seen. Overall, the S25 Ultra's design is a bold statement. It's a fusion of premium materials and cutting-edge technology. It feels like the future of smartphones, but is it a future everyone is ready for? The S25 Ultra is a powerhouse. It boasts top-of-the-line specs and innovative features. But how does it stack up against its predecessors and the competition? Compared to the S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra is a significant upgrade. The camera system has been completely overhauled. The processor is faster. The battery life is longer. It's clear Samsung has listened to user feedback and pushed the boundaries of what's possible. But the competition isn't standing still. Other flagship phones offer similar features and specs. The S25 Ultra needs to prove it's not just keeping up, but setting the pace. One area where the S25 Ultra excels is its camera. The improved sensors and computational photography capabilities produce stunning images. The S25 Ultra is a serious contender for the title of best camera phone on the market. However, these advancements come at a price. The S25 Ultra is one of the most expensive smartphones available. Users will have to weigh the cutting-edge features against the hefty price tag. The S25 Ultra is packed with new features and design changes. So, how do these translate to real-world use? The S25 Ultra feels great in hand. It's surprisingly comfortable to hold, despite its large size. The software is smooth and intuitive. Samsung has done a good job of optimizing the user experience. Early adopters of the S25 Ultra are already raving about its performance. The phone handles demanding tasks with ease. Gaming, multitasking, and media consumption are all incredibly smooth. However, the lack of a headphone jack is a point of contention for some users. While the included USB-C headphones offer good sound quality, the absence of a traditional headphone jack is a deal-breaker for some. Overall, the S25 Ultra offers a premium and refined user experience. The combination of powerful hardware, a stunning display, and a sleek design makes it a joy to use. But the removal of certain features might leave some users longing for the past. Section 5. The end of the S series? The rumors are swirling. Is the S25 Ultra the swan song of Samsung's beloved S series? Samsung hasn't officially confirmed anything, but the whispers are getting louder. Some speculate that Samsung might merge the S series with its foldable phone lineup. This wouldn't be entirely surprising. Samsung has been heavily investing in foldable technology. Their foldable phones are gaining popularity. It's possible that Samsung sees foldables as the future of their flagship offerings. The S series has had a long and successful run. It's been a cornerstone of Samsung's smartphone dominance. If Samsung does decide to retire the S series, it will be the end of an era. But it could also be the beginning of something new and exciting. Samsung is known for its innovation. They're not afraid to take risks. The potential end of the S series could pave the way for a new generation of groundbreaking devices. Section 6. Samsung's gamble: innovation or alienation. The S25 Ultra is a risky move for Samsung. It's a phone that's both familiar and different. Samsung is pushing the boundaries of smartphone design and technology, but are they pushing too far? On the one hand, the S25 Ultra is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation. It's a phone that's packed with cutting-edge features and a bold new design. Samsung is clearly trying to stay ahead of the curve. On the other hand, some of the S25 Ultra's changes might alienate some users. The removal of the headphone jack, while not entirely unexpected, is sure to disappoint some. The high price tag might also deter some potential buyers. Samsung is walking a tightrope. They need to innovate to stay competitive, but they also need to be mindful of their loyal customer base. Only time will tell if the S25 Ultra is a gamble that pays off. Section 7. The future of foldables. A premium takeover? Samsung is betting big on foldables. The S25 Ultra might be a sign of things to come. Could foldables be the future of Samsung's premium smartphone lineup? Foldable phones are becoming more and more mainstream. Samsung is leading the charge with its innovative Z Fold and Z Flip devices. These phones offer a unique and versatile experience. The S25 Ultra shares some design language with Samsung's foldable phones. This has led to speculation that Samsung might merge the S series with its foldable lineup. This would be a bold move, but it could be a smart one. Foldables are still a niche market, but they are gaining popularity. Samsung could accelerate this trend by positioning foldables as their flagship offering. Imagine a future where the S series evolves into a line of foldable phones. The possibilities are exciting, but it's important to remember that foldables are still relatively new. There are still some technical challenges to overcome. The competition heats up. Can Samsung stay ahead? The smartphone market is more competitive than ever. Samsung faces stiff competition from rivals like Apple and Google. Can Samsung maintain its dominance in this crowded market? Samsung has a few key advantages. They have a strong brand reputation. They are known for their innovative technology, and they have a wide range of products at different price points. However, the competition is not standing still. Apple continues to dominate the premium market with its iPhone. Google is making inroads with its Pixel phones, which offer a compelling combination of hardware and software. Samsung needs to continue to innovate to stay ahead. The S25 Ultra is a step in the right direction, but they need to keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They also need to be mindful of the competition's strengths. Apple excels at creating a seamless user experience. Google is known for its software prowess. Samsung needs to match or exceed these strengths to remain competitive. The power of choice flagships for every user. The smartphone market is no longer a one-size-fits-all landscape. Users have more choices than ever before, and that's a good thing. The S25 Ultra is a premium device with a premium price tag, but not everyone needs or wants a phone with all the bells and whistles. Some users prefer a more compact phone, others prioritize battery life over camera quality. The beauty of the current market is that there is a phone out there for everyone. Samsung understands this. They offer a wide range of smartphones, from budget-friendly options to cutting-edge flagships. This diversity of choice is beneficial for consumers. It drives innovation and competition, and it ensures that everyone can find a phone that meets their individual needs and budget. Samsung's legacy? A legacy of innovation. Samsung has a long and storied history in the tech world. They are known for their innovation, their willingness to take risks, and their commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From the early days of mobile phones to the rise of smartphones, Samsung has consistently been at the forefront of technological advancement. They were one of the first companies to embrace Android. They pioneered new display technologies, and they continue to innovate in areas like foldable phones and 5G connectivity. The S25 Ultra is the latest chapter in Samsung's legacy of innovation. It's a phone that's not afraid to be different. It's a phone that challenges the status quo. And it's a phone that showcases Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of smartphones. The final verdict: the S25 Ultra's place in history. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is more than just a phone, it's a statement. It's a sign of things to come, but it's also a reminder of how far we've come. This phone is a testament to Samsung's dedication to innovation. It's a phone that pushes the boundaries of what we expect from a smartphone. But it's also a phone that's rooted in Samsung's legacy of creating devices that are both powerful and beautiful. Whether the S25 Ultra is the last of its kind remains to be seen, but One thing is for sure, this phone will leave its mark on the history of smartphones. It's a phone that will be remembered for its stunning design, its cutting-edge features, and its bold vision of the future.